Now the On Your Side forecast with Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval.
Winter storm warnings are in effect. We've got another storm system headed in our direction. This is going to be a snowstorm and then mixed precipitation at some point during the day on Sunday. It is going to be an absolute mess. If you live in the west part of the valley, get ready, folks. We're talking about significant snow and some very difficult travel conditions because of what we have on the ground now and what's to come. 3 degrees right now, wind chill -6. Frigid air is in place. It looks good from inside, but if you've stepped outside today, you know how cold it has been, as I mentioned. We had 50 below wind chill factor during the day or this morning on the Camas Prairie near Fairfield. Just amazing. 42 below zero this morning in Stanley. These are the current temperatures without the wind chill. We're still below zero in Stanley at -8. Just incredible temperatures this morning at 26 below zero with that wind chill of -42. It looks really nice with blue skies out there, but a deep snowpack and absolute frozen tundra in central Idaho occurring right now. So we've had the blue skies, some bluebird, but very cold skiing. We've got some changes coming in, however. We've got some snow. Winter storm warnings in effect. Tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, that's when the snow will be approaching the Snake River at 8 a.m. By 11 a.m., we're talking right along the interstate here, tracking on into the rest of the Treasure Valley. And it goes to the warning until Sunday at 5. So tomorrow morning through Sunday evening. This is a long-winded event, and for places like the Western Valley around Ontario, we could be dealing with snow for the entire time frame during this warning here, and that could put significant snow on the ground in this region. For Ada County, it's a more difficult call where we'll get snow, and eventually we should see a change to some freezing rain. That means rain coming down and freezing on contact, or some sleet, that ice pellets that come down and bounce or can tend to pile up, and that'll be occurring here as well. The further east we go, the better chance for an earlier mix out of that snow. As soon as you see the snow start to change its shape, you start getting any accumulation, the snow accumulation will stop then, and you just have some ice on top of that. But right now, frigid conditions are in place. Here comes the moisture from the south and west, a deep plume of tropical moisture, and there's a lot of water in this moisture as it heads on in, and it will be falling in the form of snow and eventually some sleet and some freezing rain. I want to show you the futurecast here. All computer models show snow coming in 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's on our doorstep and it overspreads the valley. By 8 p.m., this first wave of snow ends. It will be snow for everybody. That's no doubt. That's just about guaranteed. And 2 or 3 inches of snow likely in the Treasure Valley out of that, maybe a little bit more. And then the next wave comes in the morning. Here's where the computer charts are off. Today or yesterday they said we'd have rain all the way through this region. Now they're starting to show, oh yeah, maybe it will snow in Ontario because they are starting to see that the cold air is in place. And we believe it will be even colder than this. And I think we're likely to see snow for a good time. And a lot of this green here is going to be snow or freezing rain. There could be freezing rain for 15 hours in the Western Valley after we get significant snow. So it could be a very dangerous situation. This is my snowfall forecast right now. I'm erring on the side of just a little bit more than what would be the middle of the road between different scenarios. There could be 8 to 12 inches of snow in the Western Valley here around Ontario. This is going to be very significant here with some ice on top of that. 4 to 8 inches of snow in Ada County with the heavier amounts favoring towards western sections, and possibly even 4 to 8 inches around Mountain Home before we get a mix over to some sleet and freezing rain. If it's snowing at 5 p.m. on Sunday, there will be more snow than this. If it is raining at 8 a.m. on Sunday, there will be less snow than this, but there would be freezing rain. I'm thinking the changeover could be around midday or early afternoon for Ada County, but again, some significant snow could fall before that. So a mess likely this weekend. Our exclusive true view of tomorrow's weather today, 2 to 3 inches of snow by evening tomorrow. So not significant, but with what we have on the ground, this is not going to help. So in the west central mountains, snow is likely. 3 to 8 inches of snow during the daylight hours, and then heavier snow coming in even overnight into Monday. Very significant snow falling into Idaho's higher elevations. My On Your Side extended forecast here. Snow on Saturday, snow and then freezing rain and sleet on Sunday. Some rain showers on Monday. Another fairly significant snowstorm could come in during the day on Tuesday.
Scott, we're never going to get kids back to school.
It's going to be a very difficult scenario here, so I have to watch this closely because it could just keep coming and coming. There's more storms after that as well, so we'll keep an eye on it.
Okay, thank you very much. It's your neighborhood. Has it been